Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be my Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I know I'm ugly. I know I look ugly. So let's just get straight into this video and unbox this Boxycharm try on style. It's crazy because when I look on Instagram, I see their photos and their sneak peeks and it looks so small, but in person it's just like, bam! Look at that. If you guys like Butter London, there is a cool coupon code for you. Charm25 at checkout. It's pretty vulgar and it's in Make Them Blush. Prime Vixen. And even though obviously I don't have no face makeup on whatsoever, this is all from Benzo, trying to get my acne away, but oh, this is so pretty. Like, I can't get over this packaging. Pretty vulgar makes the prettiest packaging. Okay, I'm gonna swirl it in there. Ooh, tap it off. Just to see how it looks. I know I don't have face makeup on, this looks weird. I don't really like this color. I'm more of like a peachy, neutral, warm kind of girl. Make Them Blush, $26. I really like that. It's like a subtle though. So of course, if you want to bring that pigment out, you could bring it out. 3 eye gel packs from South Maine. Never heard them before, but it says, reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. Everybody wants this in their life. Because obviously if you're stressed, if you're tired, you're gonna get dark circles, and on top of that, that's gonna help prevent that. Then you're gonna moisturize all the puffiness people out there, whether you old, you young, you just puffy, this will help you. I like this packaging. They didn't just throw it in there. Look at that. How the cool. $10. That's pretty good. 3 packets for $10, especially if it works. This is huge. Huge in shade Pitch Black. Big Time Volume, Butter London. Here is their cool full-size, extreme full-size mascara. It's Wow Time. Yeah. Wow, wow, okay. Stroke Wow Volumizing Mascara. This is really cute. This is a really cute mascara. Hold up. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be trying this. Yes. But first, let's wait for the big finale. These last 2 items. This is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. And the mascara actually ran for $20. Dang. And then you have the Smoky Brush Set that runs for $23.15. Here's your brushes. Let's feel. They're pretty soft, a little stiff, but it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl go. Little 3-packer. The most exciting thing, hold up. The most exciting thing actually is next month. Because next month, they're gonna give a full-size Colorpop palette in the box. I don't have any Colorpop besides Dream Street. Dream Street is the first time I ever tried Colorpop with Kathleen Light's palette. This is so good. Like, can you tell? I freaking love this palette. I always will. I use this palette. Like, I don't even pick up my Jaclyn Hill no more. Like, that's my palette. So Colorpop is so cheap, so pigmented. It actually runs for this palette $36. Oh my god. This is just so worth it. Vegan friendly, cruelty free. It's 12 eyeshadows. This is so beautiful. Boxycharm times Pure Cosmetics. So pretty. This peachy shade, I love peachy shades. It's called Nikki. That's coming out pretty nice. I'm gonna go in with Belle, this cute pink shade. I'm gonna put it like right on the outer corner. and bring it in. I'm gonna be a little bold. I'm gonna go into this color for our brow bone. Oh yeah, gotta love me some highlight. Is this also for the inner corner? Whoa, whoa, this pigmentation is so yummy. I'm gonna do this purple shade. I know you were wanting that purple shade. Nice peachy shade in case if it got blended. Over on top as close and actually right near that brow bone. So we don't want no skin gap. We just want to see beautiful pigmentation of the color. Beautiful shade right here. Put it on the lid and it looks purple. It's super weird. Alrighty, well, you could definitely see peach on the brush, but it's coming off purple. I'm gonna go into this nice black shade because this glitteriness is just staring me down. I'm gonna stamp right here. What? Hold on. So much pigmentation. Wow. Now I'm gonna stamp above too. So this is how I fake eyeliner. When I'm just that lazy and I'd rather do it with shadow, bam, that made such a big difference. Let's test out the mascara. Look at this wand. What in tarnations? That is so huge. Wiggle, wiggle, and pull through. And I also have my lashes, they're getting longer. I have a trick. And if you want to know my trick, definitely comment down below and I'll make a video about it. They look really volumizing like the packaging says. You could actually see them. This is really pretty. I love it. Yes. Here is everything that was in my Boxycharm. You got your 3 brushes, which my impression of them is that they were a little stiff. They didn't pick up the product too well. Like for example, this brush right here with the angle, it didn't really pick up that pigmentation. The packer brush, it's so tiny that you kind of have to work with it. The mascara, I do like the mascara for sure. It's a little clumpy, don't get me wrong, but if you were to grab like a spoolie that doesn't have anything, pretty vulgar. The packaging alone is a winner, let's be real. This color, again, it's not my cup of tea. You can see it right here. Hard to really have a first impression when I don't have face makeup on, but it's very subtle and it gives you that pop of color. So for sure during the spring and summertime, this is super pretty. I have the self-made 3-pack, which I'll do after. I'm not gonna do it now. This palette is so beautiful. So beautiful. This. Each and every single color is usable, and you usually don't get a glittery matte. Glittery matte, what? You usually don't get a glittery black shade. This is glittery. Overall, pretending like that. Overall, ignoring the fact that... What? Overall, ignoring the fact that my face isn't done and all my ugliness, the eyes are so beautiful. Like, just look at the eyes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you definitely enjoyed. I love Boxycharm. If you want to sign up, I have a link below. Thank you so much again. Let me know and comment down any videos you want to see, challenges, etc. Like and comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend to subscribe. When I get to 200 subscribers, don't forget, I'm going to do a challenge with my boyfriend. And challenges are the best because they're so fun, super funny. There are some affiliate links down below. Check them out. They're legit links to cool stuff. And that is everything, guys. You have a blessed day. Bye.